Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Before diving into the video, let me tell you why you can prefer my web development playlist. Unlike typical YouTube playlists, this one includes MCQs and assignments just like a real course. I hope you got the idea. Let's dive into the video. In the last video, we have moved this text into the center. Now let's add colors to these HTML elements. This is the syntax to add colors. Here heading is our selector, property is color and value is blue. As we have discussed, selector should start with dot and property should be followed by colon, value and semicolon. Now let's write this code in VS Code. In the last video we wrote this code. Now let's write code to add color to the heading. Our selector name is heading. The property we use is color, value is blue. Click Ctrl S to save the code. Now let's apply CSS to HTML using class attribute. Its value is name of our selector, heading, save the code, click on run without debugging. If you observe, color of our heading is changed to blue. In the similar way, let's change the color of our paragraph. This is a syntax to change the color of paragraph. Our selector name is paragraph. It can be anything. You can name it as your wish. And the property is color. Its value is blue. Now let's try the code. Go to CSS. Selector should start with dot. I am giving paragraph as our selector name. We are using color property because we need to change the color. I am giving red as the value. Let's apply this to paragraph element. Use class attribute. Its value is name of the selector. Name of the selector is paragraph. Save it. Let's run the code. The color of our paragraph element is changed to red. Before moving forward, try to answer the MCQs. There is another way to run the code easily. For that, we need to go to extensions, search live server, then click on first one and install it. I already installed, so I keep it as it is. Now come back. To run this easily, right click on HTML file, open with live server. We got the output. In this way, we can run our code easily. Now let's add color to button element dot button flower braces. For button, we can give two colors. One is for text on the button and one is for the background color of the button. To give color to the text of the button, we use color property. I am giving white as the value. To give color to the background of the button, we use property called background color. I am giving its value as green. Save the code. Now let's apply this to button element. Use class attribute. Give the name of our selector, button. Save it. To run this, right click on the HTML file, open with live server. Yeah, we got our required output. The text of our button is changed to white and its background changed to green.